What's going on, YouTube? So this is another video of PrimeTime Pips. Once again, my name is Brian. If you guys do not know who I am, just check the Instagram below in the description. I've been trading for a couple years now, and I've actually narrowed this thing down pretty well. For guys who don't know, my first year was shit. Second year was okay. Third year got way better. Way better. And that just came with time and looking at charts, guys. But the topic of the day that I want to talk about is signal services and courses. I'm sorry, I'm eating too, so if you guys hear me chewing or something, that's why. But if we take a step back and look at signal services and courses, a lot of people are confronted with the idea that Forex is a scam, or this, that, and the third, because a lot of people have been scammed in Forex. I can't even deny that a lot of people have been scammed in Forex. I mean, shit, I've been scammed with certain courses. But in my opinion, you shouldn't really let that stop you from learning from somebody, just because everybody's course or teaching isn't a scam. Right? Once again, like I'm gonna say it all over again. Like I've bought tons of courses. I mean, like top names, like literally everything. Like mentorships that take 12 months to pay. That I spent $1,800 on, like Astro, like a lot of different platforms. IML, I've been there, I've done it. I've been in everything. There's signal services, different people's signal services, but some courses will be good, some courses won't. I mean, but for the little amount that you're paying for it, to gain a knowledge that can make you simple money, like today's gold trade, during the times that I trade, this was live today, right? With my students, this was live today. But a lot of people have the misconception that, oh, I want to buy signals because I don't have time to look at a chart. You will never be successful going over trading off of somebody's signals. Because what if something happens to that person where they're no longer here on this earth anymore? You're completely done. There's no way that you can continue to make those trades that they were giving you because you don't know anything. Simple as that. So let's say you guys wanted somebody's course and you got scammed, because like I said, it does happen. I've been scammed. This is the number one reason on why I started my own. After going through 12 different courses, a bunch of signal services, I wanted to make something authentic for people to actually attack. My retail course, I have 2 free courses right now. I just made the one that people used to be paying for. I made that one free also because I have another course that is a little bit bigger, that makes that talks more about precision, like just like this trade with precision. This is what that other course is about, that mentorship. But I have 2 big courses for free. Anybody who wants to get started learning for free, guys, and this is why I'm coming back to make YouTube videos too, so people can look at this. Anybody who's coming back, or you know somebody who wants to get started, guys, they can go to babypips.com to go there. Like, it's so many other places for free content. Or you could just come here. Come to somebody who's been trading for a couple years. I've not been in the game for 20 years, 10 years. I don't care about who has, because a lot of people who have is not as accurate as me. I've seen it. I've seen it. There's big people now that trade breakouts, and I have a better entry. And I've had people from courses that I bought, like, how did you know when to buy then? Like, they don't know what the market is actually doing. It just looks good, so they want to take that chance. So all this is signals worth it? No. Guys, no. 100% no. Get good at trading yourself so you can actually be good at it. So when you look at a chart, you know what the hell you're doing. And that's teaching yourself for the years to come. Like, you could be trading for the rest of your life. Just waking up, depending on where you are watching this video, just waking up, making a trade, making money for the day, and going about your day. A lot of you guys want to retire early. Like, a lot of you guys want to make money in your sleep. This is the way to do it if you learn how to do it. And this shit is going to be tough. Signal services make it seem so lax. This shit is going to be tough. You are going to want to quit. I wanted to quit after I lost $3,000. I wanted to quit so bad. But luckily I had a friend that I went into it with, and he pushed me a little further. Said, no, man, don't quit. Just keep on going. Because he was losing money too. I'm like, all right, man, this stuff isn't working. This is when I was going through those courses in signal services. Like, oh, these guys are supposed to be the best. They're supposed to know. It don't matter how much knowledge I went through, which is good. It's good to go through those courses to get the actual knowledge. But if you're not actually applying that shit every day, if you're not looking at a chart consistently, trying to apply that shit, testing on a demo account. If you're starting, do not start with a real account. Go to a demo account until you actually have a strategy, and then transfer that to a live account. When you do a live account, put a little bit of money in there. Get that shock of trading with the live account with real money, seeing your money either increase or you losing it. That's the next step after the demo. Put a little bit of money in there. Then once you are comfortable and you understand your trading plan, that's when you go ahead. Okay, so overall courses, big thumbs up for that. Big thumbs up. I mean, like I said, I felt like I wasted money on courses, and I felt like I've made a great investment with some courses. It's going to be like that, guys, like 100%. It's going to be like that. That's why I offer so much free shit now for mine, so people can see a lot of shit first before they come to me for the mentorship. Okay. And signals, no, that's just a hard fucking no. No, I would never trust that. Especially if you don't know what you're doing risk management wise, because you can over leverage on somebody's signal and end up blowing your whole damn account. I've done it, so I know. Trust me. I was that dumbass when I started. I'm pretty sure somebody else is going to be dumbasses when they start. It's bound to happen, guys. But with a trade like this here, this is off the 5-minute because gold provides so much pips. All right. Sorry about that, the cough. All right, I'm back. My bad, the cough. Shit was stuck. So with a trade like this, you're probably wondering, if you guys follow me on IG, you guys will see this shit every day. I'm gonna keep saying this every video. Every time I trade, you guys will see me get those wick entries, see how much money I'm making, and see that it's a real account. Every single fucking day. Because every day I'm getting wick. Well, no, scratch that. Not every day, because I don't trade every day. If I don't see something, then I don't trade it. Let me say every other day. I'm usually getting a wick entry all the time with a stop loss small like this. With gold, a 10 pip stop loss, that's crazy. And I have a 94 pip take profit. I closed it a little early at 90 when it hit that low, because I wanted it to run that low, which it did. Just a tad bit. When I closed it at 90 pips, that's a 1-to-9 risk reward ratio, guys. I gained my account 27% off this one trade on the 5-minute. It took 35 minutes for me to make 94 pips. And if you guys are trying to learn and you go through those free courses and you figure out how much 94 pips can give you, and I did a standard lot with it. I'm not that guy doing 10, 20 lots yet. I don't want to do that. Standard lots, keep it simple. But at a standard lot, that's $940. Well, I closed it at 90 pips, so that was $900 in 35 minutes, guys. A lot of you guys are working long hours to get that. This is why this shit is worth it. Okay? Because I almost gave up along with you guys. The people who may watch this and they may be struggling like, man, this is bullshit. Or, man, hey, this guy's reaching out to me for some scam Forex shit. Like, guys, like, The people who are real with it is going to be transparent about this shit. And they're going to be able to show consistency in the market. That's why I post my trades every morning when I take them, to show consistency in the market. Okay, I don't care how many trades you've won. I don't care how many trades you lost. Just like the other video, I care about portfolio growth, right? Because numbers can be manipulated. People can change all of this, screenshot this and that. I don't want any of that. I want you to be able to do that right in front of me so I can see everything. All right. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Like I said, it was signal services versus the courses. I hope you guys really took this in. Signal services is a big thumbs down for me. Huge thumbs down. I would suggest like everybody to stay away from that shit. Courses, you got to get them. That's the only way you're going to learn, whether it's a stock market course, futures course, whatever, Forex course, crypto course. You have to get them because you have to learn something about the market. But since there's so much free information out there, especially the free information that I'm giving, just take advantage of it and learn it. Take your time with it. I don't give a fuck if it takes you 5 years to get this. Get it. Some people ain't got enough time to keep on doing it, so it may take you 2 to 3 years to get consistent with this. All right? Other than that, guys, that's it, man. You guys have a wonderful day, depending on when you're watching this, or a wonderful night.